On the 7th of January 1610, Galileo Galilei took a telescope he had built and turned it towards the night sky. Soon he was looking at 3 of the moons of the planet Jupiter. Fresh discoveries ensued in the months after this, including observations of Saturn and Venus. With these discoveries, Galileo transformed our understanding of the solar system. But it came at a cost. 23 years later, he was investigated by the Roman Inquisition and forced to recant some of his views. How did this great man go from stargazer to persecuted scientist? This is